Hello Newtonians. We covered a variety of topics related to CAD software, and I want to cover the basics of CAD hardware. Most people are not concerned about this, they are good as long as they meet the minimum requirement. But for you hungry for deeper knowledge and understanding, in this video, we will explore different hardware components needed for you to use CAD software efficiently. In this video, we will look into PCs and workstations, monitors, keyboards, mouse, and 3D mouse. The idea is not to tell you which hardware to choose, but to give you the knowledge to make more informed decisions based on your budget. When it comes to our PCs or workstations, most of us think the stronger, the better. While I would agree with that, most of us are unfortunately limited by our budget. When I was working as a student, I spent all my money on upgrading my PC so that I could run complex FEA calculations. While our wishes are one thing, our realistic budget possibilities are usually limited. Keeping that in mind, I wanted to give you an overview of important components and what you have to be careful when choosing your hardware. In that way, even with a limited budget, you will be able to maximize your gain by choosing the proper hardware. PC, personal computer. A PC, or personal computer, is a general-purpose computer designed for individual use. It typically consists of a computer case with various hardware components, including a motherboard, processor, CPU, memory, RAM, storage devices, graphics card, and other peripherals like a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. PCs are versatile and widely used for everyday computing tasks, such as web browsing, office applications, multimedia, and gaming. They are available in various configurations and price ranges, making them accessible to a broad range of users. Workstation. A workstation is a high-performance computer designed for professional applications that require significant computational power, stability, and reliability. Workstations are specifically optimized for resource-intensive tasks such as computer-aided design, CAD, computer-aided engineering, CAE, animation, video editing, scientific simulations, and other demanding workloads. They feature advanced hardware components, including powerful processors, high-capacity RAM, professional-grade graphics cards, multiple storage drives, and specialized software optimizations. Workstations are typically built with a focus on performance, stability, and compatibility with professional applications. They are designed to handle complex tasks efficiently and provide reliable performance for professionals working on projects that require extensive computing power and precision. Workstations often come with additional features like error-correcting memory, enhanced cooling systems, and certifications for specific software applications, ensuring compatibility and reliability in professional environments. Due to their specialized nature, workstations are generally more expensive than standard PCs but offer superior performance and reliability for professionals who rely on powerful computing capabilities. PC versus workstation. PCs and workstations are both viable options for CAD users, but they differ in terms of performance, scalability, and reliability. PCs are more budget-friendly and suitable for small to medium-sized projects, while workstations offer higher computing power and stability for complex and resource-intensive tasks. Consider the scale and complexity of your projects to determine which option suits your needs best. Motherboard. The motherboard plays a crucial role in a CAD workstation as it serves as the central hub connecting all the hardware components. While the motherboard itself doesn't directly impact CAD performance, its features and specifications determine the compatibility and expandability of the system. When choosing a motherboard for CAD, it's important to consider factors such as the socket type, chipset compatibility, expansion slots, and supported RAM capacity. The socket type should match the CPU being used, ensuring a proper fit and functionality. The chipset compatibility ensures seamless communication between the CPU, GPU, and other components. Expansion slots, such as PCIe slots, allow for future upgrades, such as adding more powerful GPUs or specialized hardware like dedicated capture cards. Sufficient RAM slots and capacity are essential for effectively handling large CAD projects and datasets. Other factors to consider are the quality and reliability of the motherboard manufacturer, support for high-speed data transfer interfaces like USB 3.0 and Thunderbolt, and the availability of features like overclocking or RAID configurations for storage. While the motherboard may not directly impact CAD performance, choosing a well-rounded and compatible motherboard ensures stability, expandability, and long-term viability for your CAD workstation. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer and plays a vital role in running CAD software. CAD applications perform a variety of calculations and computations, such as rendering complex 3D models, performing simulations, and executing design algorithms. The CPU processes these instructions and performs the necessary calculations to generate the desired output. A faster CPU with more cores and higher clock speeds can handle complex CAD tasks more efficiently, resulting in faster model rendering, smoother real-time interaction, and quicker simulations. Here's a simplified explanation of how the CPU works in conjunction with CAD software. 1. Interpretation of instructions. CAD software operates by executing a series of instructions, such as drawing commands, calculations, and modeling operations. These instructions are encoded in the software's code. The CPU's primary task is to fetch these instructions from the computer's memory and interpret them. 2. Execution of instructions. Once the CPU has fetched and decoded the instructions, it performs the necessary calculations and operations specified by the CAD software. This includes tasks like rendering 2D or 3D graphics, performing complex mathematical calculations, manipulating geometry, and handling data transformations. 3. Multithreading and parallel processing. Modern CPUs often have multiple cores, which enable them to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. CAD software that supports multithreading can take advantage of these cores, distributing the workload across them. This allows for faster processing and improved performance, especially when working on complex designs or performing computationally intensive simulations. 4. Interaction with other hardware. The CPU communicates with other hardware components, such as the GPU, graphics processing unit, RAM, random access memory, and storage devices. It coordinates the flow of data between these components, ensuring that information is efficiently transferred and processed. For example, when rendering graphics in CAD software, the CPU instructs the GPU to perform the necessary calculations and generate the visual output. 5. Optimization for CAD workloads. CAD software places specific demands on the CPU, requiring it to handle complex geometry calculations, real-time rendering, and simulation tasks. Some CAD software packages are optimized to take advantage of the CPU's capabilities, such as utilizing multiple cores effectively or leveraging specialized instruction sets like SSE, streaming SIMD extensions. This optimization enhances the software's performance and responsiveness. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. The GPU is responsible for rendering graphics and accelerating visual computations. CAD software heavily relies on the GPU for tasks like real-time 3D model manipulation, shading, and visualization. A powerful GPU with dedicated graphics memory, VRAM, can handle complex geometry, textures, and lighting effects more efficiently, resulting in smoother and more detailed visual representations. GPU acceleration can significantly enhance the performance and responsiveness of CAD software, especially during tasks that involve real-time rendering or working with large assemblies. RAM, Random Access Memory. RAM is the temporary memory that stores data and instructions that the CPU needs to access quickly. CAD software utilizes RAM to hold the active project files, geometry data, textures, and other essential information while you work. Having an adequate amount of RAM is crucial for smooth CAD workflow and responsiveness. Insufficient RAM can lead to performance issues, including lag, slow loading times, and limitations when working with large and complex models. More RAM allows for better multitasking, smoother rendering, and improved overall performance. Storage. Storage plays a role in both the speed of data access and the capacity to store CAD files. There are two primary types of storage: solid-state drives, SSDs, and hard disk drives, HDDs. SSDs are faster, providing quicker file access and loading times, which can improve the responsiveness of CAD software. HDDs offer larger storage capacities at a lower cost but are generally slower. It's recommended to have a combination of both SSD and HDD storage. SSDs can be used to install the operating system, CAD software, and frequently accessed files, while HDDs can be used to store larger project files and archival purposes. Monitor. The monitor can have an impact on CAD performance, particularly in terms of display quality, resolution, and screen size. Here are some factors to consider. Display quality. A high-quality monitor with accurate color reproduction and good contrast can significantly enhance the visual experience when working with CAD software. It allows you to view designs and models with greater clarity and precision. Monitors with wide color gamut and high color accuracy are especially beneficial for tasks that require accurate color representation, such as industrial design or architecture. Resolution. The monitor's resolution determines the number of pixels displayed on the screen. Higher resolutions, such as 4K or ultra-wide monitors, offer more screen real estate and allow for more workspace, which is advantageous when working with large assemblies or detailed designs. It provides more room for toolbars, menus, and multiple windows, reducing the need for excessive scrolling or zooming. Screen size. The physical size of the monitor influences the workspace available for viewing CAD designs. A larger screen size allows for more content to be displayed simultaneously, improving productivity and reducing the need for constant panning and zooming. However, it's important to maintain an appropriate viewing distance to avoid straining your eyes or neck. Multiple monitors. Using multiple monitors can greatly enhance productivity by providing an extended desktop. You can have the CAD software running on one screen while dedicating the other screens to display reference materials, tool palettes, or other applications. This setup allows for better organization and multitasking, leading to improved workflow efficiency. Refresh rate. The monitor's refresh rate refers to how many times the image on the screen is refreshed per second. A higher refresh rate, such as 120 Hz or 144 Hz, can provide smoother on-screen movement and reduce motion blur. While a high refresh rate may not be crucial for all CAD tasks, it can be beneficial for tasks involving real-time 3D visualization, walkthroughs, or animation. Uninterruptible power supply, UPS. When it comes to working with CAD software, ensuring uninterrupted power supply is crucial to avoid data loss, system crashes, and potential damage to your hardware. This is where an uninterruptible power supply, UPS, comes into play. Let us explore the significance of using a UPS with your CAD software and the benefits it brings to your workflow. Protection against power outages. CAD projects often involve working with complex and resource-intensive designs. Sudden power outages can result in lost progress and unsaved work, leading to frustration and wasted time. A UPS acts as a reliable backup power source, allowing you to save your work and gracefully shut down your system during unexpected power disruptions. Safeguarding data integrity. CAD software relies on accurate and precise calculations to ensure the integrity of your designs. Abrupt power loss can corrupt files and introduce errors, jeopardizing the accuracy of your work. With a UPS in place, you can prevent data loss, maintain file integrity, and preserve the quality of your designs. Preventing hardware damage. Power fluctuations, voltage spikes, and electrical surges pose a significant risk to your computer hardware. These events can damage sensitive components such as the CPU, GPU, and storage devices, leading to costly repairs or replacements. A UPS acts as a buffer, regulating the flow of electricity and protecting your hardware from potential damage. Mitigating downtime and productivity loss. In a professional CAD environment, downtime can have severe consequences. Unexpected shutdowns and system failures can disrupt your workflow, impact project deadlines, and result in loss of productivity. By utilizing a UPS, you ensure uninterrupted operation, allowing you to work seamlessly and meet project timelines efficiently. Surge protection for peripherals. CAD professionals often use additional peripherals such as external hard drives, scanners, and printers to support their workflow. These devices are equally vulnerable to power-related issues. A UPS with surge protection outlet safeguards not only your computer but also your valuable peripherals, preventing damage and preserving their longevity. Keyboard and mouse. When choosing a keyboard and mouse for CAD, it's important to consider the following factors. Ergonomics. Look for a keyboard and mouse that provide ergonomic design features to ensure comfort during long hours of CAD work. Ergonomic keyboards may have a curved or split design, adjustable wrist rests, and a comfortable key layout. Similarly, an ergonomic mouse should fit well in your hand and promote a natural grip to minimize strain. Programmable buttons. CAD software often involves complex commands and repetitive tasks. Having a keyboard and mouse with programmable buttons allows you to assign commonly used functions or macros to specific keys, improving workflow efficiency and reducing the need for excessive menu navigation. Precision and responsiveness. CAD work often requires precise cursor control and navigation. Look for a mouse with adjustable DPI, dots per inch, settings that allow you to adjust the sensitivity to your preference. A higher DPI range can provide more precise movement for intricate design tasks. Additionally, consider a mouse with smooth scrolling and responsive buttons for easier navigation and selection. Connectivity and compatibility. Ensure that the keyboard and mouse are compatible with your computer's operating system and have the necessary connectivity options. Most keyboards and mice connect via USB, but wireless options are also available. Some wireless models use Bluetooth, while others require a dedicated USB receiver. Choose the connection type that best suits your preference and setup. Build quality and durability. CAD work can involve intense usage, so it's important to choose a keyboard and mouse that are built to withstand frequent and prolonged use. Look for durable construction, quality materials, and positive reviews regarding longevity. Keyboard layout. Depending on your preference and geographic location, you may want to consider the keyboard layout. Some CAD professionals prefer keyboards with a dedicated numeric keypad for numerical input, while others prefer compact keyboards without the numeric keypad for a more streamlined workspace. Customizability. Some keyboards and mice offer additional customization options, such as adjustable backlighting, removable keycaps, or swappable side grips. These features allow you to personalize the keyboard and mouse to your liking and enhance your overall CAD experience. 3D mouse. The 3D Connection Space Mouse is a trademarked product developed by 3D Connection. It revolutionizes navigation in the 3D space, offering a seamless and intuitive experience. Unlike a standard mouse and keyboard, the Space Mouse enables users to maneuver through the 3D environment effortlessly. With various product options available, Space Mouse enhances workflow, speed, and efficiency when working with CAD software. Ergonomically designed with strategically placed buttons, each product is optimized for usability and comfort. While acquiring the best hardware for CAD software is expensive, and for those who cannot afford expensive equipment, it is important to make informed decisions and maximize the return on invested money. It's important to strike a balance between performance and affordability. Upgrading components based on specific software requirements and considering future scalability is advisable. My advice would be, if you are buying a new PC or workstation, make sure that you buy a powerful and expandable motherboard. So that will give you the possibility to expand your hardware capabilities later on. Did you learn anything new in this video? Let us know in the comments below. Do you like our videos? Then, give us a thumb up, comment, and share it with your friends, colleagues, and on your social media channels. And if you want to become a part of the Newtonians, make sure to subscribe to our channel.